Monday, guys. So I'm headed to Hartford Baking Co to meet up with my really good friend Shin. You guys are finally gonna meet her, and I've talked about her on my channel a few times, but I'm running late, actually very late, and I feel so bad, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna be better in 2019. So we're just meeting up to like talk about our goals and set up our weekly accountability meetings for 2019, and just like, you know, brainstorm ideas and get things, you know, going for the new year. So should be fun, and I'm really excited to really get serious and like hone in on what we want to accomplish, break them down into more realistic goals, and just to know that like, I have another creative friend that, you know, can be literally my accountability partner. So I am running like a mad woman to get to Shin, who's been waiting for me for almost like an hour. I hope she doesn't kill me, but I'm really, really close. And here's where we're meeting. Hartford Baking. So let's see where Shin is. She's waiting for me, guys. Even though I'm mad late. Super late. So we're about to go eat at Bartaco, and Shin is here. This is my favorite, Chinnyere McPherson, and we are gonna go explore the Bartaco secret. Let me get you in the frame. We're gonna go explore the Bartaco secret today, but first I'm gonna help her record some footage because you know she got a special VIP invite. And then we're just gonna take you through like, you know, through our meeting today. So we got here, Bartaco, West Hartford, our favorite place. Yourstrulyyinka. Hey. She's over here doing what vloggers do. So it's my first time at Bartaco as a pescatarian, trying not to eat chicken. Pray for me. This is gonna be hard. But Yinka has faith in me when she's actually paying attention. So our, the lighting is horrible here, guys. So our, there we go. Our appetizers are here. And it's funny because once you've been vlogging and vlogging for a while, you kind of learn that even though the food is here, you're not hungry. You're not tempted to take a bite because the camera eats first. The camera eats first.
I remember the first time I went food vlogging with this one. I like went to go reach for the food and she like slaps my hand like that. Camera eats first.
Rule number 1, camera eats first.
Hi vlog. Hey.
All right, so on this tray you have the 4 Brussels sprouts. Here you have the swordfish, 2 rock shrimp, falafel, carne asada, and pork belly.
So the rest of our tacos just got here. Shin is capturing some footage. Again, the camera always eats first, so. And it's nice to kind of be on the back burner because in the past when I've been invited for like, you know, vlogger food events, like, you know, it's just that pressure of getting the right content and, you know, making sure you're fulfilling all the requirements for the campaign. But you know, I'm just chilling today. Shin is doing all the work.
I feel like she's rubbing it in.
Shin is doing all the work. I'm chilling, assisting on the back burner. So yeah, fun. So I hope you guys are really enjoying like a little behind the scenes of like, you know, when you're vlogging, and that's why like I always feel like it's really cool to have, you know, another blogger friend to come with you, so you know you have someone to share the experience with and like you don't really feel alone and stuff. So we're eating our food, and again I just wanted to officially introduce Shin to you guys.
Hi guys. My name's Chinnyere McPherson,
and she's a fashion designer. and also a vlogger, lifestyle vlogger.
A vlogger.
And we're just, you know, again, like I said in the car, talking about our goals and things we want to accomplish in 2019. And we solidified our accountability meetings that we're gonna have every week.
So they're gonna be on Sundays. That's like our chill day.
Yeah.
Where we take photos and we just talk about like what goals we have. We're just checking in on each other and making sure that we stay up to date.
Yeah. So my hand hurts now. What was I gonna say? So yeah, Shin wants to give some tips and tricks to, you know, all you aspiring fashion designers. So I'm gonna hand her the camera because my hand is hurting.
All right, hey guys, so I didn't give you my handle, so it's Fashion Daily, at Fashion Daily on Instagram. I just wanted to say for blogging, for me, I was never really comfortable around the camera. I'm still not. As you can see, I could barely even hold this thing. But the biggest thing is just do it, even when you're uncomfortable, because you're never really gonna get comfortable until you're under the pressure and there. Like when I first started coming to Bartaco with this one, talking on video was like the hardest thing for me because people were watching me. But now I don't even notice. And now people get in the videos. They want to be in, they want to see what's going on. And my biggest tip to any emerging fashion designers, find a niche. Pick something, like a particular style. So if you're into dresses, casual dresses, and like go into detail in the category that you want to focus on, pants, skirts, and make it your thing first before you branch off and to do an entire line, because it can be very expensive and you want to get a bang for your buck and you want to build an audience around this particular style. And then eventually you can add different accessories or branch off to tops or bottoms. So yeah, that's my tip for today.
So I hope you guys found Shin's tips really helpful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. But yeah, so we are here trying Bartaco's new Bartaco secret, which is, drum roll please, the Brussels sprout taco. And I love Brussels sprouts. I don't know about you guys, so I'm really excited to try one. So definitely stop by your local Bartaco because their food is amazing, their service is amazing, and the people are really great. And it's a really great atmosphere. And the one in Connecticut, I don't know if all Bartacos do this, but the one in Connecticut in the evening, it just turns into like a little lounge. They always have good music, a really diverse crowd, and it's really good. So,
when you're cold, they give you blankets.
Exactly, when you're cold, because you know we're in New England, they give you blankets. So customer service on point. And today I tried their boiling, bottling, sugarcane sweetened, no high fructose corn syrup, ginger ale. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of what I ordered. So here we have some of their shishito peppers, fried plantain, almost done tuna poke.
Really good.
Corn off the cob, guac, the salsa verde, and the red salsa. These are the Bartaco secrets and our tacos that we're killing. Finished up our meal here in West Hartford Bartaco location. I probably was invited here 4 or 5 times specifically for the Bartaco secret. I have to say, hands down, my favorite, absolute favorite Bartaco secret. What do you say, Yinka? And thank you to our beautiful waitress Abby for being an amazing host. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for following.